Prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Take LHS. LHS is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay, here cosecant theta, write it as 1 minus sin theta, 1 by sin theta, minus cot theta is cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, LCM is sin theta. This is equal to 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Okay, 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. We know sin square theta, 1 minus cos theta whole square, write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta by sin square theta. We know trigonometric identity, sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. See, 1 minus cos square theta. This is like a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, so here a equal to 1, b equal to cos theta. 1 square minus cos square theta, write it as 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled, which is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See, RHS 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. This is equal to RHS. Okay, here LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved. Next example, prove that cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A equal to 2 secant A. Okay, take LHS. LHS equal to cos A plus 1 plus cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A. Take LCM. LCM is 1 plus sin A into cos A, cos A into cos A, cos square A. In denominator only we have 1 plus sin A. We have to get 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, cos A into cos A, cos square A plus 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin square A. Okay, which is equal to cos square A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Okay, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, by 1 plus sin A into cos A. See, here cos square A, sin square A. Cos square A plus sin square A, cos square A plus sin square A plus 1 plus 2 into sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, this value equal to 1. 1 plus 1 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 2 sin A by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Okay, see here 2 is common. 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A to cos A. 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A get cancelled, which is equal to 2 by cos A. 2 by cos A. We know secant A equal to 1 by cos A. Okay, so 1 by cos A equal to secant A. See, or H is equal to 2 into secant A. Okay, this is RHS. Here LHS equal to RHS. Hence proved.